Hello, this is Jim with DC Digital. Today I am demonstrating a DC-40T-DN-BCD, and this is a customized product. We have some changes in the software that we've done to accommodate the customer, and those changes are when you go to start it, it counts down from the value that you've preset into the BCD switches and will not allow you to stop it or reset it. And just to briefly tell you about the standard product, it is a DC-40T-DN-BCD. It would start, stop, and reset during the countdown process. You set the BCD or the value minutes and seconds up here on the top, and they are rotary switches. So I'm going to go ahead and do the reset on this. And I've got it set for 2 minutes and 92 seconds. You can actually set the first minute higher than 59 if you like. And then it will correct on the next minute down. But I'm going to go ahead and change it to, let's just say, 10 seconds. Just to demonstrate the functionality of how you set it. So you're turning your BCD rotary switches, which are down a little bit lower than what you can see here, and I'm using a flat tip screwdriver to do so. I set it for 10 seconds. And then on the back cover we have where you would put your switches or your PNP input, which would also be an OK input to trigger your reset and also trigger your start. However, the third terminal on here is also another terminal that we use on our standard product, but it's not being used in this customized product. And the inputs are contact closure or PNP, and the PNP is 5 to 30 volts DC. The display is 4-inch high, and it's 4-digit LEDs, all aluminum enclosure. And you can bring your wires, your cables in for your controls or your remote wire inputs, either through the side or through the back of the enclosure. So we have knockouts on either side and through the back. It will mount to a 4-square or a electrical handy box. So to start it, just simply, push the start button or your start switch or PNP input, and now you cannot stop it or reset it. And once it gets to 0, it stays at 0 until you push reset or give it a reset trigger pulse. So again, this is Jim with DC Digital, and today I'm demonstrating a customized DC-40T-DN-BCD. Thanks for watching.